Amen, amen, nonke, sanibonani nonke, ngiyanibingelela nonke. I'm greeting you all in the mighty name of God. I'm also greeting my friends and everyone that feels I matter into their lives. Today, I'm going to tell you about what happened to me when I spoke to a snake in the river. I spoke to a snake in the river. I don't want comments whereby someone will say, hey, there's nothing like that that can happen. Our gifts are not the same and our experiences are not the same. I'm not going to discuss dreams here. I'm discussing something that I saw, something that happened to me. I'm sure everyone else have got their own experiences because indaba zomoya is deep, guys. So I'm going to tell you about the day I spoke to the snake in the water. Right. First, I was dreaming of water all the time, and I would love water, you know. During the first days when my gifts started to manifest, those days I was filled up with trials and tribulations. And then I went to the river just to listen to the water, just to calm myself down, because we all know the water calms a person down. Right. After that, when I got there, it was early in the morning because I couldn't sleep due to problems that I had in my life. I was stressed, societal thoughts, everything. Then I got up and I went to the river. There is a big rock. There was a big rock next to this river, on the bank of the river. And then I got there all by myself. Because I was, guys, the gift was giving me so much problems. And then I got there. I thought of what to do. What am I here for? You know, like uba confused. This thing confuses a person. And then I get there, I kneel down. Something said to me, pray. I prayed, and I was crying and praying, but I don't know what is happening. There was this fear in me that I'm alone, it's in the bush, it's in the morning. As I was crying and connecting and praying harder, the fear stopped. And guess what happened? When I checked in that beautiful stone, it's still a little bit dark, almost sunrise. I checked a snake. You know, a snake rolls itself like this and it lifts the head, and then it does this to me. And then I check and then I see this is a snake for real. I got so shocked. I couldn't run. I wanted to run, but I couldn't. I got shocked. You know, whereby the adrenaline part of the body takes over and you feel, you know what, I'm waiting for anything. Anything can happen because I'm shocked. Nothing man. And then I can't run. I feel if I run, it's going to spit the venom on me, or something bad is going to happen, or I will fall with shock. I just got frozen. But I looked. While I was looking, it's not doing anything. I can see the head and the tongue, spitting the tongue, and then I was only scared of the venom. And then the voice came. When the voice comes, the movement in the lips of the snake, it's like the snake is talking. The eyes became red, and then says, what do you want here? What do you want here? You are disturbing me. I'm doing my things here. You are disturbing me. Ikhale ngokuthi uyangiphazamisa. Uyangiphazamisa la. Ufunani lana uyangiphazamisa. Hey. I check everywhere, thinking maybe I will see a person or someone will rescue me. Nothing. It's just me and the snake sijongen. I'm telling you, it's not a joke, guys. Hey, nami stress. Yo, I was looking at it because I was calculating. Ikhale ngokuthi ufunani lana you are disturbing me. What do you want here? You are disturbing me. From then I started praying. Ngathi mina coming here to get the environmental calmness of water, because water is life. I am not going to succumb to fear because of this voice. I picked up my stick. I prayed with my eyes open. I said, if you are the devil, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. I am not faking this gift. I was called. I just came here to pray and pray for myself. So leave me alone. You're going to leave me alone. I said, fire upon you. I said, you're going to leave me alone. How can I disturb you? How can I disturb you? This is nature. Nature is from God. I've got equal shares, just like you. I started to scream. And then later on, it was untying itself, and eventually it went straight into the water, into the river. So nikapele, guys, you've seen people kuthiwe hey unkilo kimezi hey uthathwa ngamanzi akusamanzi wodwa, kunalezi zinto lezi ezihlala emanzini. That is why kunabantu abahamba bayothwala emanzini. That is why with my first video I say do not go to the waters for powers. The powers must be inside you. We are all born with our powers within our body. The minute a person says, I'm going to fetch, those are the things that they fetch. So obviously kunomuntu onesivumelwano nalento lena, and then while the snake is still looking, the other person comes. Goes at the wrong person. So someone made a pact with a snake. I do not worship snake, Mina, and I do not have fear. The gift is inside me, and the gift is from God. I worship the Creator because I'm also the creation. So I will carry on correcting people. The minute a person says, I'm going to fetch powers, you are going to fetch powers from those things, those beings in the water, territorial spirits of the water. Where is your powers? You need to have your own powers inside you. Uzizwe ukuthi ngabizwa. Thina abanye we've got a very good background, professional wise and business wise. So we had no reason so kwenza amaphexi nezinyoka zamanzi. We were called by God. Sikubona ngani lokho, sikubona ngemisebenzi. That is why nizohlezi ningi-attack, because I'm not a talker, I'm a doer. I voted.